Introducing Tawa, best traveling companion, the ultimate game sidekick, and it's your best travel buddy. Learn in 5 minutes, play in 10 minutes. Who's got time for lengthy rulebooks? Learn the game in just 5 minutes and dive into 10 minutes of pure gaming joy. Quick to learn, quicker to play, it's the travel downtime game changer. Play anywhere, anytime. Wherever the adventure takes you, Tawa follows. Compact, lightweight, and bursting with fun. 3 modes in one game. Competitive, co-op, and solo. Ready for game modes galore? Tawa's got you covered. Petite, palm-sized. Small is the new big. Tawa's pint-sized components fit right in your palm. It's the perfect size for gaming on the go. Finally, and as always, handcrafted home decor game. And now, the pièce de résistance, a game that's not just a game. Tawa's a handcrafted home decor masterpiece, meticulously made from natural wood with stunning Japanese-inspired engravings. Experience travel gaming like never before. Back Tawa on Kickstarter today.
Hi guys, this is Louis, the founders of Mokuomo. This year we're introducing a new game called Tawa. It's an ultimate portable Buddhist game for your vacations and for traveling. Everyone loves traveling and Buddhist, so why not combine them both together? Right. This game is very suitable to play anywhere as it's designed to learn in 5 minutes and to play in 10 minutes. In Tawa, we integrate 3 different game modes: co-op, competitive, solo into one single game because we know that everyone might have different preferences and needs. And also sometimes you travel alone or you travel with a bunch of people, right? As always, we focus so much on the handcrafted wooden components. And this year, we have added 100% handcrafted wooden box with all the beautiful engraving, making the whole game much more elegant. So thank you very much for watching, and we hope to see you on Kickstarter. And see you soon, bye!